Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use voice isolation on your iPhone iOS 26. Basically, iPhone had introduced the latest iOS 26 on iPhone. So if you want to use the voice isolation on your iPhone iOS 26, because voice isolation has been previously introduced in iOS 18, now it is also available in iOS 26, but it is if it's not showing or if it's not working and you don't know how to use that. For this, you have to watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. So basically, it works basically when you call someone on your dial pad and it shows above as system controls. So there are three options available. The first one is automatic, and second one is standard, and third one is voice isolation. So here is option available if you want to use it. So if it is using your microphone, that it will you connect to your system automatically, and it will use it as your voice isolation, which means your voice will be automatically isolated, and you will hear a clear a loud sound while you are connected to Bluetooth or having a call on your iPhone iOS 26. So in this way, you can use your voice isolation without any problem on your iPhone iOS 26. So if you are having a problem, then you can simply select that option and you can simply go to the system, and after that you can check for that. But it will only work when you open a dial pad, and you can simply open the system settings and you can simply access the voice isolation when you open the phone app or dial pad. It will not show in any other options. So if you open that drag down settings, then you will not find any option of voice isolation in any other options. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.